Hello everyone! How are you today? So, kamusta na po yung mga newly launched teacher natin dito sa 51 Talk? So, I hope that you're doing well. By the way, this video is just to share you about what happened to my referrals kasi excited na excited ako na makapag first class sila. So, last night, 3 of my referrals chatted me and then they said that they had successfully done their first ever classes. So, yun, ang saya-saya ko rin kasi kahit na medyo nataranta sila at ninervyos talaga na tension masyado sila sa kanilang first class pero successful talaga yung kanilang first class. Ngayon namang morning parang kabaliktaran naman yung nangyari kasi dalawa sa mga referrals ko naman hindi nila namalayan na nagka-booking sila. Sudden bookings kasi yung isa 3 agad yung absent, yung isa naman, 2 agad yung absent. So, kapulutan natin siya ng aral teachers. Okay? So, once na you are waiting for your first class, ang gagawin niyo po is to be on standby po in air classroom. Okay? Kasi hindi yun naiintindihan ng iba. Every time you open your slots, that means to say that anytime pwede yung mabook. Pwede yun na sudden bookings, pwede rin na advanced bookings. So, you have to be on standby in front of your laptop. Your AC should be online. Tapos, katabi mo naman yung My Page. So, dapat sabay yung dalawa na naka-online. Kasi, we don't know. Baka bigla na lang mayroong tumunog. So yun, papasok kayo agad kahit hindi kayo prepared. That is really the meaning of open slots. So since you open your slots, you need to have close monitoring on your open slots. So sa mga newly launched teachers, yun talaga ang dapat nyong gawin. You cannot still access on the material unless nagpabook na po si student. How are you going to monitor? First is yung sa 51 Talk Teachers app. Next is sa My Page. You have to constantly check your shift management at saka yung inyong AOS kung nag-open kayo ng AOS. And then, during that time na po talaga ng inyong open slots, dapat online po kayo in your air classroom. It could be before your time or after your time. Running 10 minutes of your time, pwede kayong mapasukan ng estudyante. Say for example, your class is 1900, that is 7 o'clock. So, 10 minutes after 7 o'clock or 7:01, 7:02, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, pwede kayong magka-bookings po noon. So, if lagpas na ng 7, 10, so, you can do something already at home kasi hindi na talaga kayo mapapasukan nun ng sudden bookings. Always keep in mind, newly launched teachers, ganyan talaga, you have to patiently wait for your bookings kasi ganun talaga yung nagsisimula dito sa 51 Talk. But there are some cases na yung mga newly launched ay kinabukasan nagkaka-bookings na. Mayroon ring instances na parang confident siya na bagong launch pa siya, hindi pa siya talaga magkaka-booking. So, yun, hindi niya binantayan yung kanyang mga open slots. Yun, nagka-absent siya kinabukasan ng gabi kasi nakinig siya sa lahat ng mga rumors na matagal nagkaka-bookings at kailangan pa ng training. Case to case po, yan lahat teachers. Hindi lahat ng mga newly launched teachers ay pare-parehan ng mga nangyayari regarding sa booking. So, don't lose hope po mga newly launched teachers. Go on for training. At the same time, you have to watch over your open slots. Okay? So, always remember that our My Page is governed by AI. That is AI generated. So, there is this we call as algorithm na nadidetect ng ating My Page if a teacher do have many trainings. So, the more siya magiging visible sa mga students. Okay? So, napansin ko talaga ngayon, teachers, na maraming mga newly launched na nagkaka-bookings na sila agad. So, pakabantayan ninyo. Or yung mga matatagal nang naghihintay na kanilang bookings like sa mga referrals ko, talagang nagka-bookings na sila. Kaya lang yung iba, hindi nila agad napansin. So, always remember to watch over, monitor nyo palagi yung mga open slots ninyo. So, nandito na po tayo sa platform. All we need to do is to wait for those mga bookings kasi nanggaling rin kaming lahat dyan. Yung mga tenured teachers, galing din dyan sa paghihintay ng mga bookings at medyo low bookings pa sa simula, but then later on, you will have more and more bookings. Okay? So, I hope that this video helps. So, wag lang kayong mawalan ng pag-asa, teachers. Yung mga referrals ko ay simula na ng kanilang mga bookings. Yet, yung iba, hindi talaga nila napansin. Pero, I believe that they could recover from those absences. Now, if you want me to be your guide, just message me here in TikTok, in Messenger, or in Facebook. Mag-comment lang kayo sa video, how, so I can message you back. Or you can also message me over YouTube. You can also immediately click my referral link to apply so I can email you immediately. Thank you so much and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye!